Dear students, probability of AS is equals to 1, where AS is sure event. Sure event means it's containing all possible outcomes. Now come to the second formula. Probability of impossible event is equals to 0. What is impossible event? Impossible event means it doesn't contain any elements or any outcomes or any even points. Now come to the next formula. Probability of A lesser equals to 1, greater equals to 0. That means lies between 0, 1 and 1, where A is an event. Okay. Probability of A complementary is equals to 1 minus probability of A. A complementary means complementary of A. I am telling you about the complementary by using a form example. If A is equals to set of even numbers, then A complementary set of odd numbers. Okay. Now A1, A2, An are mutually exclusive. Therefore, probability of A1, A2 up to An is equals to probability of A1 plus probability of A2 plus probability of An. Mutually exclusive means it doesn't have no common part. That means A1, A2, A3 don't have any common part. Then these are called mutually exclusive. So if A and B are mutually exclusive, then probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B, and probability of A intersection B equals to 0, because they have no common parts. So that's why their intersection are all time 0. Okay. Next formula. A and B and C are not mutually exclusive but exhaustive. Then probability of A union B union C, that means probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus of probability of A intersection B minus of probability of B intersection C minus of probability of C intersection A plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. So because this is not mutually exclusive, so that's why their intersection are not 0. So that's why they are including this formula. If A and B are not mutually exclusive but exhaustive, then probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus of probability of A intersection B. If it is mutually exclusive, then this part will be 0. So probability of A intersection B, probability of A plus probability of B. It's clear. Come to the next formula. If A1, A2 up to An are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, and these are all possible events in an experiment, then probability of A union A2 union A3 up to A union An is equals to 1. That means probability of A1, A2, probability of A2 plus probability of An equals to 1. If it is mutually exclusive and exhaustive. If mutually exclusive only, then the intersection part will be all time 0. If it is not mutually exclusive but exhaustive, then the intersecting part included. Okay.